Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors, the stock, but most importantly, it's autonomous driving, the DreamDrive. I am going to post a video of the DreamDrive event. It's about 5 minutes long. I think you're really going to enjoy it. And we are going to be talking about what this can do for the stock. Before we get down into it, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, if you are new to the channel, I would like to welcome you to the community. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get all the videos out there. As I have mentioned, we will be talking about Lucid Motors stock. It is a little bit down today, but we are going to be talking about why, because we've had some big news. I just posted a video earlier today because it looks like we did have some stock dilution, and we will briefly mention that. We will also be talking about the autonomous driving, the DreamDrive system. But first, let's dive right into this article. We are going to be talking about this article from CarBuzz, and it is first going to be talking about Lucid's new DreamDrive will wipe the floor with Tesla's autopilot. So the reason why I wanted to bring up this article is that the DreamDrive is Lucid's version of the autopilot, the autonomous driving, and it right now has a lot of buzz around it. One of the reasons why it does is because Tesla right now currently has the best autopilot, has the best autonomous driving out of any vehicle that's out on the market right now. Lucid Motors does have that potential out there. The reason why I wanted to talk about this is because they have a lot of cameras, a lot of systems. They have about 32 cameras and sensors all around the vehicle. And you will be seeing this whenever I post the video. It will explain this in more detail. However, what's very big about this one is it does have and include LiDAR in it. Tesla does not include LiDAR, but a lot of analysts and a lot of car engineers out there have said that LiDAR will definitely improve the autonomous driving features of the vehicle. It looks like right now with Lucid, the way it has the car set up is it has all the hardware in place, but it looks like it's still working to renew and update the software, which will be released later on down the road via a software over-the-air update. This will allow the car in the future to drive on its own without any human assistance. However, we are far away from that right now, as this car does need to have human to be involved with it. But we'll definitely have to see, because right now Lucid has taken the crown away from Tesla as being the most long-range vehicle out there on one single electric charge. And now Lucid is trying to take this and dominate this new technology aspect of the driving assistance from Tesla right now.
This is Lucid Air. And this is DreamDrive, our ultra-intuitive advanced driver assistance system. Think of DreamDrive as your invisible co-pilot. DreamDrive Pro, the most comprehensive version of DreamDrive, has over 30 features that enhance your driving experience, with many more coming soon. The first thing you'll notice about DreamDrive is that you'll hardly notice it at all. It's so smooth and sleek that the learning curve to unlock its incredible features is virtually non-existent. Thanks to its Sirius camera suite, Surround View monitoring offers a full 360-degree view of your car, giving you eyes on all sides. It has an impressive 32 sensors, all seamlessly integrated into the design that see things the human eye cannot. And with a fully comprehensive vision package, short and long-range radars, an array of ultrasonic sensors, and state-of-the-art LiDAR technology, DreamDrive's ability to precisely scan and pinpoint everything around you is uncanny.
Now that we have talked about this briefly, I did want to talk about the stock and its impact in this. This article is from Barron's. It will be talking about Lucid shows off its self-driving prowess, but the stock isn't moving. So we have talked about that this today, October 12th, is the DreamDrive event, and Lucid Motors is talking about its autonomous driving. But right now, even that we have all this information, according to the company, we have that DreamDrive. It has the 32 on-board sensors. It has a driver monitor system. This is a very first right now because it will monitor the driver and the driver's ability to drive based on its fatigue and alertness, which Tesla does not have right now. But according to this article, it has all the hardware inside that enables the driver assistance features. It does have collision avoidance. It has traffic jam assistance. It also has a lot of special features such as highway assistance. There's a lot of technical details that we do need to still look at and still, look forward to this vehicle. But it looks like all the hardware systems are inside the vehicle, but there are still those software features that do need to be turned on, and this will be done based on the software updates which this vehicle will have. Now, looking at the stock itself, it is trading right now on the stock market just at $23.05. But we did have a high today of $23.60. We have pretty much gotten rid of that. We actually at one point went down below $23 mark. We were at $22.68. So overall, we're pretty much trading flat for this day. But let me show you in the past 1 week, in the past 5 days, we are down on this stock 1.75% in the past 5 days. We have had a high of $24 and about that 50-cent mark at one point in time. But as I reported earlier on today, we had the Lucid insiders have sold this stock at quite a bit at $21 million worth of shares of stock when it was $24.15. And this included shares from the CEO and others involving Lucid, which is a little bit of a red flag for me, but please comment and watch my other video what you think about this. But it looks like this stock has been selling off. We are starting to get investors that are starting to jump in. But right now, this stock overall is down. If we look in the past 1 month, we are still up about 15% for the past 1 month. That is just because September was a great month for Lucid stock. Whenever we did have those pipe investors did sell off on September 1st, this stock went under $16 a share. And by September 21st, it went all the way up to $26.81, which was about a 51% upside from then. We have had a little bit of a cool off and a sell down period, especially the past 2 to 3 weeks. We have been on a decline on this stock. We have lost from its high on September 21st till about now. We have lost about 14.7%. Since about September 21st all the way until October 11th, which was yesterday. We'll definitely keep you updated, but I did want to just transition and talk to you about what the analysts do have to say about Lucid Motors. We had 3 analysts out there review this. Bank of America has given it a price target in the next 12 months at $30, which will give us about a 31% upside from now. We did have Citigroup give it a $28 price target in the next 12 months, which will give us about a 22.3% upside from now. The last analyst was Morgan Stanley. He did give us the lowest price target at $12 in the next 12 months, about a 47% downside. Now, whenever we do review all 3 of these analysts and do combine them, they do give us a moderate buy with these 3 analysts. If you do average their price targets all together, this is about a $23.33 in the next 12 months on average, which will give us about a 1.3% upside potential from now. I still do believe that Lucid Motors stock can hit that $30 by the end of this month. The reason for this is that we still have that the deliveries will be starting to happen in the next few days. Lucid, it did itself say that by the end of this month, at the end of October, the Lucid Air Dreams will be delivered to its customers. I think that this will be a very big catalyst for the company. But in addition to this, I do think that having this vehicle out there, consumers' hands, and the good word of mouth, I think it will increase the branding of Lucid Motors, and it will be known around the world. I do think that right now, as we currently stand, not a lot of people still know about the Lucid brand, which will be changing as there's a lot of analysts and a lot of car enthusiasts have been reporting about this vehicle, and they have been giving it glowing remarks. Now, moving forward in the stock, it still will have those bumps in the road because this is still a new EV startup company. But starting next year, in the year 2022, Lucid Motors will be producing 20,000 units or 20,000 vehicles. They will be expecting to have its first revenues of about $2.2 billion next year in the year 2022. And in the year 2023, they are on target and on schedule to start creating its new SUV, the Gravity. I think all these things will be definitely good moving forward and pushing this stock up. Also, do not forget that by the end of this month or the beginning of November, we will have Rivian. It is going to be IPO. It has filed through the Securities and Exchange Commission to become IPO'd and be traded on the stock market with a valuation of $80 billion. And this will definitely help out Lucid Motors, as Lucid Motors right now is about half of that valuation. But I hope you like this video. If you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you can, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. I have partnered up with MooMoo. MooMoo is right now, if you use my link down below, if you open an account, they will give you a free stock valued anywhere from $3 to $350. If you deposit $100 into your new MooMoo account, you will get a Lucid stock share valued up to about $25 as of right now, which is about 25% increase in your $100 investment. So I hope you like this video, but again, thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. If you can, please keep sharing this video with others. Share it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.